Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Hmm. I work in Qatar for 8 years as a housemaid, cleaning, also nanny, taking care of the baby, cooking, and ironing. And then I work in Al Ain for 2 years, my contract. And then as a nanny only, taking care the 2 months old till 2 years in Emirati people. Now working in Dubai Marina as a nanny also. I started taking care of the baby when he was 2 months old.
What is the nationality
Yeah,
of your present employer?
they are Lebanese.
How many members in the family?
They are only three.
Okay, and can you tell me what are your duties and responsibilities while on this job?
I'm taking care of the baby, sleep with him, feed him, make his food, cook his food, and teach him to uh, teach him what can I so that he know how to speak, he knows how to play, and taking care more than Hermione does,
Okay,
ma'am.
how long did you work with them?
1 year and 3 months because I finished my contract for this September 4. This September 4.
Okay, and how much salary are you looking for?
2,000 above.
And what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Babysitting.
What type of food can you cook?
I can cook baby's food like pasta, rigatoni, what else? Rice, meat, fish meat for baby food only because I have my book and I follow the book what is written there.
How do you know if the baby is sick?
He's crying a lot. He's not feeling well. He doesn't want to eat. Her mood also.
Okay. And then, if the employer is not in the house and the child got sick, what is the first thing that you would do?
I will call my employer. I will call to let them know their baby is not feeling well, and I wait there. I'm waiting them what will I do because I need their advice. I must follow what they say first before I do my own way.
Do you consider yourself lucky?
Yeah,
Why?
be- because I know how to take care of the baby and all the babies I'm taking care, they love me. They love me so much and they are all in a good hand.
What are your hobbies?
My only my hobbies is playing with them and playing with the babies I am taking care because I'm happy if I'm with them
Okay.
and
How do
and and give them a real love and give them a real love and what they want. How care and yeah, care and love.
how long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
If I like them, of course I didn't leave them without my contract without unfinish my contract. All my employer I want to finish my contract before I leave them because that is my what I wanted. I don't want to leave them without with problems or I yeah that is I always finish my contract.
Do you think you would be a good full-time housemaid to your new employer?
Of course,
Why?
I am because I have experience. My I think my 11 years more than 11 years more than experience is enough. I can leave them if they are really nice to me. I can renew and renew and renew my contract like what I did before. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.